Hello, my name is Emad Mikhail, Professor and Chief for Minimally Invasive GYN Surgery at the University of South Florida and Tampa General Hospital. I am excited to invite you to the 26th Advanced Workshop on GYN Laparoscopy and Anatomy and Minimally Invasive Surgery with emphasis on laparoscopic treatment for endometriosis. I am honored to give a talk about laparoscopic approach for pelvic anatomy. You will learn a step-by-step laparoscopic approach to pelvic spaces, retroperitoneal dissection, avascular plans, and critical landmarks essential for safe and effective minimally invasive surgery. We emphasize hands-on learning, practical techniques, and decision-making strategies that you can apply immediately in complex surgical cases, especially endometriosis. This workshop is designed to help you increase surgical confidence, improve precision, as well as efficiency. Join us in Louisville for a highly interactive experience that will enhance your surgical performance. I'm looking forward to learning together. Thank you.